Leila Seder is a magnificent night. It is a night of chinuch, of education. It is a night of kiruv. Keneged arba bonim dibro Torah. We all wish, we all hope, we all daven, we all aspire that all our children should be chachamim. But not always is it the way that will be. It is the nature of the human condition. Sometimes part of the family, we have the tam, we have the she'enu yudei lishol, and to our dismay, sometimes we have the Rasha. And at the Leila Seder, we hope to see them all. Yes, we hope that the Rasha is also going to be there with us. He's part of our family. We cannot ignore him. We hope he's going to sit around the table. And sometimes it'll be unpleasant to hear what he has to say. Mohu avoidu azois lochem. And Yerushalmi Psachim Daf Ayin, the Rosh is even more blunt and more annoying. He says, what do you want from my life? What is this all about? What is this burden you put on my shoulders? Hurts, pains to hear, but we want him to be there. And sometimes it might not be pleasant for him to hear what we have to say. But we invite him, and we very much hope he's going to be there with us. And our prayer and our hope is, when the Seder is over, the Chachamim went on and on, telling the story of Yetzias Mitzrayim. When did they feel we got there? We achieved our goal. When all said, time has come to be Makabel al Malchus Shemayim. Then they knew this is our Seder. When all the Talmidim will say with one voice, Hegi Azman Kriyas Shema, time has come to say Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad. Time has come to say V'yohavta es Hashem Elokecha v'chol avavcha u'v'chol nafshecha u'v'chol moedecha. That is what the Seder is all about. We want them all around the table. They're all part of our family, and we care for them all. We love them all, and we hope when it'll be over, they all will say, Hegia Zman Kriyas Shema. One additional thought, not about Kiruv Rechoikim, maybe what we define as Kiruv Kroivim. Korban Pesach is the very first mitzvah we got by Yetzias Mitzrayim. And Korban Pesach is unique, different than any other Korban. Any lamda knows that there are two different categories of Korbanos, Korban Yochid and Korban Tzibur. Korban Yochid, individuals bring that Korban. Chatos, Asham, Toida. Korban is Tzibur. Shnei Tamidim B'Kol Yom. The Mesufim of Shabbos, Yom Tov, and Rosh Chodesh. What is Korban Pesach? It's a Korban Yochid. It is upon each individual. But unlike any other Korban Yochid, you cannot bring it by yourself. Ein a Pesach nechal elo b'chavura. You need a group. An individual can't bring this Korban. It's a machlekes where the chabur is ma'akev. Everybody agrees, lechatchila. You cannot do this on your own, together with others. There's an additional halacha regarding Korban Pesach. If you are part of one chavura, you're stuck with that chavura. And you cannot decide when you come into the room and you look around, I don't like these people. They're not enough mechubed. I would like to sit with my Rosh Yeshiva, with my Rosh Kollel, with my Rebbe. No, this is your chabura. And these are the people you're going to sit with at this most magnificent night of the year. Pesach Mitzrayim has a special din. And that is, V'im yimat habayis mehiyois miseh, v'lokachu u'shchenoi hakorev el beisai. Pesach Mitzrayim you do with your neighbors. You cannot choose whom you're going to spend the night with. You cannot choose, I want a chabur of mechubadim. I'm a great Talmid Chacham. I want to sit with my Rosh Kollel, with my Rosh Yeshiva. No. You and your neighbors, regardless of who they are, what they're called, and how they look. Those are your neighbors, and it is with them that you're going to bring the Korban Pesach. And why was that so important? We went down to Mitzrayim as a family. Shivim nefesh, es Yankov ish ubeisei bo. We came out of Mitzrayim as a people, as a nation. No longer one little family, no longer one tribe, a people. And the fundamentals of nationhood is caring, togetherness. You have your chabura, and it is with them you're going to spend this most magnificent night. We went out of Mitzrayim, and the Torah says, "V'lokachu u'shchenoi hakorav el beisei." These are your neighbors. You see them, you care for them, and it is with them that you're going to spend this magnificent night and together share the Korban Pesach. Kiruv Rechoikim is the call of our times. Kiruv Kroivim is just as important. And when we hope that HaKadosh Baruch Hu will be Makarav our tefillas, that our tefillas would go up to the Kisei HaKavod, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu will respond to our tefillas. The Gemara in Yevamos says, "Ho oihev es shchenav, v'hamekarev es krovav." He who loves his neighbors, regardless of who they are, and he's mekarev, his relatives, his family, not rechoikim, but a mekarev es krovav. Olav hakosav oimer, oz tikro, v'Hashem ya'aneh, Tishaveya v'yomar hineni. Kadosh Baruch Hu will answer your prayers, and all your tefillas will be niskabel. So, my dear friends at Or Sameach, keep up your holy work. Kiruv Rechoikim and Kiruv Kroivim. Love your neighbors. Have all family members sitting around the table, and let us hope that at the end of this night, all together will say, Hegia Zman Kriya Shema Shachris. All together will call out, Shema Yisrael, Hashem Elokeinu, Hashem Echad. Have a beautiful Yom Tov, Chag Kosher v'Sameach.